Hi! Wanted to show you this IKEA inspired junk journal that I made. So you can maybe get some ideas to use up those really nice pictures from IKEA catalog. I have a video where I showed you how to actually make some ATC cards with IKEA catalog pictures. I'm gonna put the link up in the card and down below so you can go check it out. So just gonna shuffle this junk journal. It's like a really mini one. I used a pamphlet from the store and I covered some of the information that it's here. You probably can see it. And I used some washi tape and one image that I cut on half and covered the back writing that was here. So let's just go through. I used a lot of reddish brown pictures. Here I have a closet type of thingy, and my IKEA catalog was in German, so the prices and everything, it's in euros and in German. And it doesn't bother me that I can actually see this. Just tells you that it's from IKEA catalog or any other catalog that sells furniture that has really nice pictures. This is page from advertisement, and I just used that to glue another picture on. Really white stark page, some magazine pages, a red page, another old page, and some pictures on it. This is the whole page from IKEA. I liked this is like a grayish black contrast. Really goes together. Because on the other side of that page was really nice red pictures, so I wanted to use that. This page is some random advertisement that I painted, a little bit of pink and red. I put some writing space on the back. And here we can actually see a little bit of the image, the closet. It's like really dark, but you can still see what it is. Just for intriguing purposes, so something is going on. It's not just text. Okay, and this lady peeking out of the curtains. So another page where you can write on, a red painted page. And that's that whole page where we have here, so you can actually see. It was really fun to make this one. I just took all of the red pictures out of the IKEA catalog and then just chopped them up and used them as decoration in this one. Really love that. Here we have this. And I wanted to use this one that it's not so red, but it kind of goes with the background that it's more yellowy, peachy color. So I just included that and covered the text here and up top and the back. So that's it. It's really simple. Just putting stuff together. I didn't think much except the color theme that I wanted to use. And this is just another great way how to use some pictures that you get in catalogs. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you were inspired to try something like this as well. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.